Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HDR footage issues in Premiere Pro by changing the color space. This is essential if your colors look washed out or too dark. So, as you can see, I have this HDR clip which is very colorful, but as you can see, when I import it into Premiere Pro, it's having trouble with the exposure, brightness and colors. Some HDR clips can even look grayed or washed out. To fix it, go to Sequence Settings, go to Color Management and change the working color space to REC 709. Make sure Auto Tone Map Media is turned on. Select OK. Again, select OK. Premiere Pro has tried its best to adjust the HDR into SDR footage. Now, drag the Lumetri color effect to our clip. Here we can play with the saturation, exposure, contrast and shadows to make our footage look even better. And that's how you fix HDR footage in Premiere Pro. Changing the color space and correcting exposure gives you accurate, vibrant colors. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.